An outstanding Monday morning. Welcome back to the work week. No matter how last week went down, or even the weekend, it's Monday morning. You have an opportunity to do a fresh start. Thomas Edison said, if you think that you've exhausted all possibilities, remember this, you haven't. Well, you definitely have not. The world changed so much over the weekend. A lot of things shifted. A lot of people changed their minds. A lot of things, people are in different situations, which creates brand new opportunity and possibilities. But the biggest challenge you're going to wind up having in managing and navigating is this brain, the traumas, the experiences, the events that happened that will convince you in your mind that, nah, it's not going to work. But remember, these are all delusions in your mind. If you get out there and make it happen, things will change. Einstein said, right? If you do the same thing and expect a different result, that's the definition of insanity. That's my paraphrasing what Einstein said. But the bottom line is, doing the same thing and expecting a different result is insanity. Do something different. But you're saying, what do you mean? I sell, I work, whatever I do in my life, what do you mean do something different? And I'm referring to do something different up here. Come with a different attitude. Come with an attitude to know that you're going to succeed. It's going to work. It doesn't matter what happened till now. This is going to be the week that you're going to break through. This is going to be the week that you're going to make it happen for yourself. There's no question about it that if you go with the attitude that this week you're going to get more results than you've gotten in the past. This week is the first week in a new process of a new level of success that you haven't had before, that you're going to move in that direction. So over here, make the changes. Sit down, close your eyes, and visualize. See yourself having an amazing week. See yourself Friday morning, this upcoming Friday morning, being excited and happy with yourself that this was an amazing, amazing week. And thank God it's Friday so you could celebrate the joy and the happiness and the successes that happened this week. This is going to be a great week. So just close your eyes, visualize it, see it in your mind's eye. And remember, what you could conceive, you can achieve, and you will achieve. Thanks for watching this video. Have a fabulous day, and I look forward to seeing you later on today in my next videos.